Well, come to my channel today. Hot product. Moto G Power Vertical Bar. 2022 Vertical Bar 3-day battery vertical bar. Unlocked vertical bar made for US by Motorola Vertical Bar. 4 128 GB vertical bar. 50 MP camera vertical bar. Ice blue carrier compatibility. AT&T VoLTE, Verizon VoLTE, T-Mobile VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, video calling, Tracfone, GSM Spectrum VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling does not support. Boost, US Cellular, Google Fi, Republic Wireless, Tracfone, CDMA, Straight Talk Wireless, CDMA, Ting, Xfinity Wireless, Optimum Mobile. For all carrier compatibility details, please check the product images in detail. Form factor, smartphone, display resolution maximum, 1600 x 720 pixels per inch. Other camera description, front up to 3-day battery. Capture more of life without stopping to recharge thanks to a 5000 mAh battery. 50 MP camera system plus dual capture. Take professional-looking portraits and close-up photos and tell your story in more creative ways. 128 GB built-in storage. Never give storage a second thought. Hold hundreds of apps and videos.